Yo, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? Today we are doing a 10-minute jump rope workout for beginners. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so obviously this workout is for anyone. Anyone can do this and it can be super effective. If you're a pro boxer, you can still jump rope for 10 minutes, really intense, and it can be awesome. But we haven't made a beginner video in a long time. So to those of you who are new to the channel, or even if you've been trying to jump rope for 2 years and you're still having some trouble, this is an awesome workout to burn some calories, practice a couple of the jump rope moves that are basic, and overall just have a good time. The jump rope I'm gonna be using in this video is the 1/4 pound cross rope from the Get Lean set. It's our favorite jump rope, the best for weight loss. It's linked up in the description below. I also have my jump rope mat, check it out. We have that linked up in the description below. This is actually a perfect use case. People are always like, oh, why would I have a jump rope mat? Because of this. There's like broken glass all over the place and cigarette butts and stuff. That's why it's good to have a jump rope mat, because you can bring it with you anywhere. The format of this workout is just a bunch of 30-second increments of exercise mixed between jump rope and body weight with 10 seconds of rest in between. Once we're complete, that's gonna be 10 minutes. If you are more of an advanced person, I'd recommend doing this circuit 2 to 3 more times. And if you're a total beginner, just once is fine. Also guys, the wait list for JRD TV is linked up below. We've talked about it in some other videos, but basically it's a members only exclusive content coaching program that we're gonna be releasing. New exclusive content you won't be able to find anywhere else. Live training sessions with Brandon and myself, and it's gonna be available to watch on your television, your phone, your tablet, computer, all that good stuff. So the waiting list is below. Click it to enter your email. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's do the thing.